Dear audience, put on your thinking caps. I have put a special cap on. That cap is known as Climate Action Project. To understand Climate Action Project, you first need to differentiate between weather and climate. Weather is what we have now, breezy, cold and gloomy. Climate is the average pattern of weather over a long period of time. There's a quote for this. Climate is what we expect, weather is what we get, said by Robert Heinlein. Climate can sometimes be dangerous because of a global warming. For an example of this is the El Nino Southern Oscillation, ENSO. That's when every 20 years, heavy rainfall falls on the Pacific, and because of reversal in wind, it increases risk of drought in Australia and India. But due to our global warming, the natural occurrence is not going to happen every once 20 years, but every once 10 years. So, are you ready? I'm ready with my research and I have intentions to take it forward. I support SDG number 13, Climate Action.
This is our garden patch where we grow fresh fruits and vegetables. Cleanliness is also part of us. We clean by ourselves. This starts from toddlers to high school.
As part of the Climate Action Project, I have researched on sea pollution. The sixth thinking hat is the strategy which I used. White hat represent facts. The facts are the sea is getting so fastly polluted and the sea creatures die by eating those plastics. Red hat represent feelings. I am very sad for the creatures. Black hat represent demerit. We are so young to clean the sea. Yellow hat represent merit. The government has taken lot of initiative to clean the sea.
Yeah.
Blue hat represent process. Let us find out ways to avoid throwing garbage in the sea. Green hat represent alternative solutions. Since land and sea coexist, let's save the land to save the water.
For every problem, there's a solution. I have used fishbowl strategy to analyze our problems. Pollution, reduce of plastic. Deforestation, go green, grow more plants. Ozone depletion, use of electric vehicles. Illiteracy, free education for homeless.
Are you ready to get into my scanning mission? I have researched about the degradation ages of the common items which we use. First, plastic bag. It takes 1 million years. Tin can. It takes 50 to 100 years. What about banana peel? It takes 2 to 3 weeks. What's the solution? Let's use 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle as a sustainable mantra.
Are you ready to sit in our sustainable sofa? So here we have recycled plastic water bottles and cardboards to make a sofa. We have done our bit to save the environment. Did you?
I support the government's initiative for climate action in terms of clean energy. Today I will be explaining about wind energy. Here I have a model of windmill. As you see, there's a blades around the wind turbine called blades. These blades, when wind hits it, turns. As for example, as the wind hits, if my hand is the wind, it hits and then it moves, which generates through a tin inside. This tin is called a box. Inside this tin is called a generator, which the generator converts the kinetic energy which is formed by the windmill, which then goes down through the turbine, which gets formed inside a house or any place that you're near into electric energy.
I am very glad to be in a school with large green spaces like the ones in the background. Now, because we talk about green spaces, what is the first thing which comes to your mind when you hear clean and green energy? Well, for me, clean and green energy, the first thing which comes to my mind is solar energy. Now, what is solar energy? solar energy is an energy which is created by the sun's rays. Well, government initiatives. I have made these projects which I am very proud of myself to create projects. Now, these projects are called solar energy. I support these energies for the climate action project. We need to know what is solar energy and how it works. Solar energy, it is a type of generator which takes sun's light and turns it into electrical energy. You see, I made these two projects here right now. This one has both of them are solar power with lights. The thing is, these solar panels give less light, less energy. So we need a thing which uses less energy. So sun's rays if the sun's rays fall on this solar panel, it turns it into electrical energy and makes this light glow. The same thing is this other model. The sunlight falls on this and then the LED lights up. Now I support solar energy. Do you?
I kept wondering what is polluting the earth so much. So I went home and decided to do a survey about garbage generation. What type of garbage is produced in my house? Then I figured out that kitchen waste was produced so much than the other types of waste. So I decided to do a compost with my friends and teachers in my school.
First மண் எடுத்து இந்த காய்கறிலாம் கட் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா அந்த வேஸ்டேஜ்லாம் இதுக்குள்ள போடுங்க. மறுபடியும் அது மேல கொஞ்சம் மண் போடுங்க. டெய்லி அதில் வேஸ்ட்லாம் கொஞ்சம் போட்டு அதை வந்து மூடி வச்சிடணும். மூடி வச்சுன்னா 1 வீக் கழித்து பார்க்கும்போது அது கொஞ்சம் நல்லா இந்த கம்போஸ்ட் பண்ணி கொஞ்சம் ரெடி ஆகிடும். 2 வாரம் கழித்து அது உரமாயிடும். எடுத்து செடிக்கெலாம் போடலாம்.
For a better environment, let's make our soil rich. We have made compost today.
To make compost, you need fruit peels, kitchen waste, etc. Soil which contains earthworms in it, and place it into a pot as we showed in our demonstration here with the help of our supporting staff or Akkas.
We are ready. Are you ready?
Let's enrich our soil.
We are the world. We are the children. We are the change makers.
Be the change to see the change.